Hey y'all, I'm out here at the candy shop, world famous spot. Let's see, my man D-Ski over there, new inductee. Hey, Punchy, you told me he could be anybody we want to, but you prefer him to be the rare breed. I see you got him his vest, man. He looking good. I hit him with I shared him talking about, hey man, ride, young man, ride. But yeah.
Hey, you can be anybody you want to be out here, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All you got to do is be out here, goddammit.
Okay, back to our previous conversation. You were saying it's best
one.
Cut one.
God damn it. You cut one, nigga, you leave one stock.
Okay, all right. So, okay, yeah.
It's the best thing to do.
Okay, so you have best of both worlds. Like I've been telling my boys here, we on this Me Too movement. What are we doing? Me Too. We going fast, Me Too. We going up and down, Me Too.
That mean y'all doing some positive shit though.
Yeah.
You niggas ain't out here Me Too and robbing banks and shit. Shooting old ladies, nigga.
Yeah.
God damn. Y'all all right, goddamn.
Okay.
Yeah, you feel me?
Yeah. Young man, I seen you come through, man, with the fucking profile, man. What was that all about? Was that intimidation move, letting them know I'm in the house?
It ain't nothing intimidation. He know what it is.
He know what it is? He know what it is?
That was for Shady? Huh? You know, I'll let my shit up right now.
Okay. Also, question, to be on the Funcast, y'all just got to show up, you can hang out with the brothers, you know, be in the background, walk around, eat some popcorn and whatnot.
Hey, man, I don't even know how I made that little nigga. I should have left that nigga in my balls.
Oh, yeah.
I should have left him in my balls, bro. I'm telling you. Mama.
Y'all see it, y'all. You see him over there. You see over here. Yeah, we out here. With that man. Let me take a D-Ski car over here. He got the full chromed out underneath. Disc brakes. LS stuff. D-Ski, man, what's your favorite thing about low riding, man?
All the smiles.
All the smiles? Okay. I know you an LS up out of here. Oh yeah. Man, I'm telling you, man, I've been watching you, man, and you doing your thing, man. I just want to let you know, man, hey, you doing your thing, man.
I'm trying to have some fun.
Oh yeah, that's the whole thing about it. Have some fun, enjoy it, man, enjoy it.
Got to.
Most definitely.
Got to.
Woo-wee. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm.